What I'm doing here is just working on a R. So what we'll do is we'll cut it out of this piece of plywood and we'll have that as a pattern. We can use that anytime we want. You can use it for Rusty Rooster, Homestead, or we can use it for Robinson. And that's pretty cool. This will just go in the top triangle where the on the Barndominium, the Mini Barndominium. This will go right on the top in that triangle where it looks so bare and there's nothing there. And I just freehand this R. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once it's cut out, I think it'll look fine. And I'm just making it black, so now just because I want to, I guess, to see what it's going to look like. And if I need to adjust any thickness of any of these lines, I can do that with my marker as coloring it. So it's actually not that hard to do. And when I get to cutting this out, I'll share it with you guys. I think you'll enjoy this little project. You can buy these. They're about 120, 130 bucks, somewhere around there. But I enjoy doing different types of projects, so I'm going to do this one. This is something I like to do, so we'll do it ourselves. It's all about having fun and doing different things. Like I said, I just like doing projects, and this is a good project to do. Sometimes you get tired. I've been working on the Mini Barndominium. We're doing the wiring, and man, sometimes you get burnt out on it, you know.
Okay, that's what it's going to look like on the Barndominium. I think it looks pretty good up there. Now that one's not made out of metal. We just screwed it up there just to see what it's going to look like. Now I got to find me a nice plate of steel, and we'll trace it out on a plate of steel and then put it up there for good. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.